Hello boys and girls, we are working on lesson 66 in Saxon math, and the first thing we're going to do is draw a 3.5 inch line segment. Start at 0, go 3.5, and just so you know, a line segment has 2 points, a line has 2 arrows. Draw a congruent line, which means it's going to be the same, which is going to be 3.5. And so if I was to measure that in centimeters, it would be approximately 9 centimeters. Lisa has $20 in her bank account. She has 20. She deposited some more money and now has $63. So she has a total of $63. And that was 20 plus something. I don't know what that something is. And I need to know. So 20 plus what equals 63? The easiest way to do this is to subtract 20 from 63, which would equal 43. So it's $43 is what she deposited. List all the 3-digit numbers you can write with the digits 4, 2, and 9. So I can write 429, and then I can do the reverse, 492. I can start with the 2 and do 249, or the reverse, which would be 294. I could start with the 9 in the hundreds place and do 942, or the reverse of 924. Name a capital letter of the alphabet that only has vertical and oblique. So, vertical or oblique. It can be either way. I could say, I can think of a few. An N, an M, a W, and I can't really think of any more, but there might be some out there, so maybe you can find one that I didn't remember. Use a pictograph to answer the questions. How many poems did the children in room 2 write? Well, room 2, each square is worth 5, so you say 5, 10, 15, 20. The class with the fewest would be room 3. I'm going to go ahead and put room because that just makes me feel better. About how many did the children do all together, which means you're going to add up all of these. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Circle the class that wrote more, room 1 or 2. Room 2, because it has more squares. About how much more? So if you take room 1 and 2, it's by 1 square, and 1 square is worth 5, so it would be by 5. Number the number line by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Write the letter that shows about where each point would be. Well, 35 is in the middle of 30 and 40, so that would be about W. 18 is between, if I said halfway, it would be somewhere between 15 and 20, so that would be H. 23 is close between 20 and 25, so that must be A. And 7 is something behind 10, so that would be T. Use the correct comparison symbols. So I'm going to look for those easy numbers to combine to make 10. 7 and 3, 2 and 8, 4 and 6. So that just leaves a 6 and a 1 by itself. So 10, 20, 30 plus 7 is 37. So 37 is greater than 35. 36 times 10. You just add that 0 to this 36, or do 36 times 1, and 36 times 0 is 0. And you can answer this on your own. I need to find my pattern. The only thing that's different is by 5s, and it's getting larger, so you're going to do an addition. 70, 63, that's getting smaller, and it's getting smaller by 7 each time. Now, To answer this, you're either going to have to subtract by 7 each time, or do your multiples of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. So if you can do your multiples, you can do this without having to actually think about the subtraction problem. And this concludes Lesson 66.